Hi and welcome. In this video tutorial, I will guide you through the process of creating a new chatbot step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a full functional chatbot ready to assist users dynamically. Let's get started. Step 1. Creating a new chatbot. First, go to the chatbot section on your dashboard. Here you'll see a list of your existing chatbots. You can have multiple chatbots depending on your permissions and the plans you've purchased. This allows you to create and manage separate chatbots for different purposes. To add a new chatbot, click on the Add Chatbot button at the top. A window will open. Here enter a name for your chatbot and click Submit. That's it. You've successfully created a new chatbot. Now it's time to make it dynamic by adding questions and options. Step 2. Adding questions. Go to the Actions column of your chatbot and click on the Questions button. Here you can add questions that the chatbot will ask users to guide them toward their goals. Based on their answers, the chatbot will provide appropriate response or action. Step 3. Type of questions. There are 3 types of questions you can create. First, list type questions. The chatbot sends a list of options and the users select one of them. Second, buttons. The chatbot sends action buttons, each performing a specific task. Third, text type questions. The chatbot sends a text message, often used for asking details like addresses or sending a greeting message. So now let's create a button type question. For doing this, click on Add Question and select Button as the type. Give your question a name, for example, select the language. In the questions box, write the text for your question. Next, add buttons. To do this, click on the plus icon for each button. Define the title and the action to perform when the button is clicked. Here are 3 possible actions for buttons. First, select Next Question. Here, the chatbot asks another question or send a template message. Second, select DB action. The system performs a database action. And the third is assign lead. The user is assigned to an employee. For example, I create a button titled English that sends an English help template message. I'll do the same for Arabic and French language. Step 4. Additional features. Unknown reply is for the time if the user gives an undefined answer. You can redirect them to another question. And the next feature is no reply. If the user doesn't respond within a set of time, you can send a follow-up questions. Once everything is set, click on Submit to save your question. Step 5. Testing the chatbot. To test the chatbot, go to the Inbox Chat section and select the number you want to send chatbot. Click on this bot icon here, choose your chatbot and click Send to send the chatbot. Now check your WhatsApp. You will see the chatbot in action. For instance, when I click on the English button, I receive the selected template message. Step 6. List type questions. Now let's create a list type question. For doing this, go back to the chatbot questions and click on Add Question. Select List as the type. Write the question name, question body, and a list title. Next, add list items. For each list item, define heading, title, and a description. Everything else works the same as before. Step 7. Text type questions. Lastly, let's create a text type question. Click on Add Question and select Text as the type. Write the question body, for example, asking for an address. Optionally, you can attach media like images or documents. Define the next question or action and click Submit. Once your chatbot is ready, test it to ensure it works as expected. You can check how it interacts with users and confirm that all actions and messages are functionally correctly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask and have a good day.